Hi, this is Shatali here. We are from Rosy Creations from Surat. We are here in Hyderabad. I can show you some good collection like this is the three piece I have with a pure fabric cotton and like complete set bottom top dupatta, the entire thing with the printed dupatta you can see, and I have lovely colors in that 5 colors. Then I have something like this you can see here, like little festive wear, like for a simple get togethers we can wear it with a pure fabric dola silk, which is super comfortable, super lightweighted to wear. And then in the same I do have colors also. Then something I have like this you can see, आप देख सकते हो, with the complete set bottom and top, and you can see the prints over I am giving here is the golden booty is there, which is like weaving, which is not go easily away. Then you can see the back also I am providing the frills over here just to hide our tummy part. There is no shape at all, super comfortable to wear it. Then I can show you something with a pure fabric. I have pure muslin. You can see the way the one I'm wearing the same thing in muslin, how it falls on me. You can see there is no like this fabric doesn't make us look fat any at all. You can see it's come with dupatta, like this tie-dye shaded we have. So comfortable with this like sizes I have like this. And if you will get the color options also, I have very pretty with that. Then I can show you something like this. It's a bottom and top with a pure fabric muslin. You can see here like I'm providing the frills between this just to like hide our tummy part and everything. You can see here there is no shape at all. This fabric is like make us look as fat, little lean and like very slow like that. You can see I have such a lovely color in a mustard. You can see with a good contrast of the colors also. With the bottom and top you can see the color how it is on me. Looks very like glowy, enhancing. This is a lovely color I have with the bandage bani designs you can say, with the frills I'm providing here. Like if it's not like a plain or centric like that, you can go. Then other thing I have with lovely color, I'll show you with a red cherry color. You can see the dupatta I'm providing with the dress with a Madhubani print, which is like more grandish look is gonna give you. And the bottom and top with self work here I'm providing with a Lucknowi one, and the color is like so lovely. It's like a cherry red color. It's not like more blinky. You can go with this as a one piece also with straight pants as well. You can wear with dupatta for Indian wear. This is lovely and excellent. You guys should try it. This one, the style and everything. I can show you one more design for that. It's lovely. It's very uncommon shade, very irregular shade with the same pattern. You can see here also I'm providing the dupatta with the same printing one, which is like we has to go with the contrast, not matching thing like this. It's so lovely. Just go with some oxidized jewelry with that, jhumkas and all. It's lovely. You can see this lovely color I have with brown shade of pants, and I'll tell you the main thing for this design. This has got the lovely pants. It's like more like plazo with broad pants. The main part for this dress is like pants only, the thing I have. You can see the dupatta is there with the same color with the tie-dye shade. It's so lovely and very elegant. Nowadays like how much the things we go with is simply that looks more classy and elegant. You can see this one, and the pant color is so lovely like this. I have which lovely color. It's like onion pink. It's not even a regular shade. Something is uncommon. It comes with a straight pants I'm providing here. You can see this one is so comfortable and straight to wear. And I must say, just try to the thing this I like I have with the fabrics only. It's a pure muslin. You can see the one I'm wearing, how it's falling on me. So comfortable and classy this thing. I have got this new again with the lovely color. You can see the print and the pattern upwards here is like little anarkali alia cuts we can say, but it's gonna be little above the bust, not mid bust. Then you can see it's like I'm providing here frills over here. You can just go as a one piece also without the pants. It's like one piece also you wear it, or you can go with the pants. For the Indian wear, it's your choice, up to you. It's like this. In the same, I will have one more color like this. See. This is also very nice color and very uncommon shade. The prints also you can see I am providing the long hands here, not 3/4, which is gonna sound little uncommon and little uncommon things. The best, my best selling piece is this is the one I have the print. It's called kalamkari. Nowadays you have seen that many like we have kalamkaris in dupattas, mostly in cottons we take. But what we have done is this, we have made a corset with a longer top and a straight pants with a kalamkari print, and the main is the thing, the fabric is a pure muslin. See, I'll show you the thing. It's so elegant, so classy on me. It looks very flowy and very comfortable. It doesn't make us look fat. It goes very little on your body. You can see the print and the colors I'm providing here, and it's come with straight pants. Look at this. But this time I'm saying you to go with something new fabric I have in a muslin. Really, you will gonna love it. You will gonna enjoy the fabric. This is my the latest collection. If you're liking to make order for this, we have an Insta page with the same name, Rose Ethnic from Surat, and I would like to, if you are guys placing the order with the same fabric, you'll love it. Just see the thing again I'm showing you. Just grab the deal and offer. Thank you.